Hey YouTube, I was going to do an update on my Project Blizzard 96 Mitsubishi Eclipse, but as you see it's not here. Um, I had to take it into the shop because my pulleys were making noise. I think I already discussed that with you guys. And so they went into the shop to get fixed. I had a power steering leak, and that was maybe dripping on my pulleys, so maybe that's why it's leaking. I hope that's why it's leaking, so then it's just one, or I hope that's why it's squeaking, just so then that's one problem. And if not, you know, I just don't want to spend my entire paycheck on my car again. I primed. Excuse me. I primed my back part of my car and my front bumper. Actually, my front bumper looks really good, but I didn't have enough prime or money to finish it, so that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna try and sell my car this weekend. Hopefully I can do it. What is going on with this key? This is my brother's truck. But let's see, where was I? Okay, when I took my car into the shop, they didn't really say anything. They just went, okay, yeah, okay, we'll take a look at it. But I went there, and when I was coming out, my dad pointed some rims out to me, tires and rims, and I looked at them. They are 18-inch wheels, and they look like they would almost fit on my car, so I'm gonna see a price for those, and then maybe I'll have a full set of tires and wheels on my car. Actually, that would be kind of cool. Let's see, updates on my car. I think I'm done with that for now. I might be getting tail lights depending on how much that leak and all that stuff is going to cost me. Whoa, how did that happen? Let's see, let's try and put you guys on. Okay, I wanted to give a shout out to my friend that just texted me just now. My friend Zemo. He has a Mitsubishi Lancer Oz Rally Edition. I believe it's 5-speed. Probably, yeah, it has to be. But you know, I finally met up with him this weekend. We actually hung out. You know, I've been talking to him for a while. Just never had time to hang out. God, I don't know what's wrong. Okay. But yeah, he has a yellow and black Mitsubishi Lancer. I'll have to show it to you guys. It's really sick. Me and him will have to do a video together. He probably doesn't even know that I do this. And also my friend Austin, he has a 86, an 86 Camaro, I believe. And he's working on that. You know, it looks really good, honestly. I like it. I like the interior of it. And has a 350 V8 in it. It's super freaking sweet. It is not a manual though, sadly. But you know, not many of those Camaros are. At least that's what I was told. But yeah, I'll have to. Maybe I'll drive my car down to Dillon this weekend. 'Cause that's where they live. And maybe we'll set up all three of our cars and do a video together. But I don't know. I'll have to talk to them guys about it. We were supposed to go to a car show. Or a car meet. I don't know if it's a car show. About an hour and a half away from here. I was invited. But I don't know. My car probably won't make it. It's in the shop right now, so. And then Zemo has to get a few things done to his car. So he probably won't make it either. But if we do go down there, we'll have a limo and everything. It'll be really fun. And now I'm just kind of blabbering about stuff. I don't really want to go to work, but you know, it's payday, so it works for me. What else? What did I not add to this video? Ever since I met Zemo and Austin, you know, I've been meeting a lot more people with cars, you know, like my age actually. It's pretty sweet. You know, around town there's not really many people my age that are into cars. It's all like, you know, older people, and I don't know, it's really cool actually to just meet somebody that, you know, likes your car, and you know, they like to talk about cars, so it's pretty cool. Hopefully the next thing that I'm going to do with my car, if I don't get these tires and wheels, and you know, if it doesn't, well, it's going to cost a lot, but, and after I get my engine fixed, hopefully I can start saving up for a body kit. You know, I need exhaust, but I'm going to put dual exhaust on my car, so I need that rear bumper, so then I could measure out where the exhaust is going to come through my bumper. And then I need brakes. Definitely need brakes, but I might wait until I get this aftermarket handbrake. What else do I need? I need my stereo put in. I need my stereo put in. And my windows, that's the next thing that's coming up. I need my power windows to work and power door locks before I can put a system in my car. I need power windows, power door locks. And I need to get my keys set up to my door. What else? I think that's it for now, guys. It's been an update, I guess. Comment, rate, subscribe, whatever.